At least one of them. Oh, we have a view of the pool and the tennis courts. Oh my gosh, I can show you guys the tennis courts. Hold on. I feel like such a dork when I'm so excited. I'm about to put my key in. Hope no one can hear me. I think I'm so weird. All right, so you guys are gonna check this out as I check it out. So we have wood floors right when we walk in the doorway, and then we have these closets. Well, it's one closet, but it has like the 2 doors. So this is a lot bigger than our, it's very tall too, a lot bigger than our closet in our old apartment that we still are gonna move out of tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna go here, just carpet in the big living room. I'm really tempted to go in there, but let's go in here first. All right, so here's the kitchen. So we ended up getting, oh, we have some black appliances. I thought we wanted it all black, but I don't think they had it available, so we just got black. So right here we have a little pantry. Okay, there's a second coat closet too, because there's little hooks. Okay. Light right here, very interesting. Then we have the fridge, which, you know, standard fridge, but this one's clean. 2 drawers on the bottom, that's awesome, separate. Okay. So yeah, the fridge. Right above it, we have this really, I'm glad how tall these things are. I'm gonna have to get a stool to get up to everything, but okay. But these look deep. So yeah, it's as deep as the fridge, so that's awesome. Like, look at all that storage. I honestly was a little worried that we wouldn't have as much storage here, but we have just as much, if not more. Okay, so then we, you know, go over here, so we have tile. We have the oven and stove, which is awesome. I really like that. It's digital, first of all. We have a digital stove. I don't think we had that. No, our stove at home, it's like one of those things that you turn. So we have a digital stove. Okay, so interesting. Drawer on the bottom. And then here is what we're working with as far as cabinets go. I'm not gonna open up every single one, it's kind of ridiculous, but you know. And then we have this area here, you know, I'm gonna put like coffee maker in the back there or something. Dish rack, obviously. And here's the dishwasher. Had to have that. Yeah, it's your standard dishwasher. Place underneath the sink, some drawers. Oh yeah. Here is our living room. Oh my god, 4 windows. This is huge. I mean, it's probably not gonna look as huge when it's all filled up, but oh my gosh, I am so excited. And then we have these blinds, but we can, oh my gosh. Really excited. This is our view. At least one of them. Oh, we have a view of the pool and the tennis courts. Oh my gosh, I can show you guys the tennis courts. Hold on. Yeah, so we have tennis courts at our new place, and then we have a pool. And then here's the city. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I hope no one can hear me. Oh my god, I probably sound like such a freaking loser. Oh my god, I am so excited. Okay, so here's what it looks like from there. That's all the stuff that I brought in, so don't mind that. So, okay, the cable hookup is here. Huh. I think we were planning on having a dining room table here. So we're probably going to have to switch stuff around, but that actually I think will be fine. All right, we'll work with that. Okay, and then we have this to control how hot or cold it is, which is awesome because in our old place we couldn't control it because we didn't pay for heat. Now we do. Okay, so we have the hallway, so it has a light here, and then it has a closet at the end, but we'll get to that. So first, we're gonna come in here to the bathroom. Okay, so here's the bathroom. Nothing super awesome, but I'm gonna make it super awesome, you know. I need to slow it down, I always go really fast. But I like the wood cabinets. That doesn't come out, but then you have a space under there. Okay, tile floor. Yeah, I'll light up here. Some of these lights. Okay. Exciting. Rack here. I think we can like put up a rack above it or something. We have some hooks already up there. So we're back in the hallway. I'm gonna go to the right. And then I can't remember if this is my room or mine's the other room. I can't remember which room we picked out, but it's one of our rooms. I'll let you guys know whichever one this is going to be. But here we have the two big windows, and oh, I'm so excited about these views. This is insane. I'm so excited. I'm like gonna cry. This is like amazing. So yeah, okay, here. Okay, and then here, the window's behind me now. So we have one of those. And then we have a giant closet. And I'm really excited about this closet because it opens like this so you can get into the center. My old place, you had to go from the right side and then walk down. Not that it was a walk-in, but you had to like squeeze yourself down to get to the other side. It was so annoying. So this is gonna be a lot nicer and easier, and it's also gonna be awesome for my videos. So if I wanna do anything fashion related, which I really wanna do, now I can actually do it appropriately. So, look at that. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna walk to the other room. Before we do that, we're gonna go into this closet here. It's huge. Okay, good. So this is the linen closet. Lots of shelves. Okay. Oh my God. This view is amazing. I just can't get over it. So when we turn around here, we have this closet, which this one is smaller. I'm really hoping this is my girlfriend's, like the main room, and my beauty room's the other one, just because I really want the other one. Maybe she's giving me this one, because it has the curve. I'm really gonna request the other one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, and each room we can control. At least we can control it here. This might be the master. I can't tell. I'm just so excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Like, this is just making me so happy. Not again, camera. Don't you zoom in on me. Why do you keep doing this? The city is beautiful. Like, I get to see this now. Every morning, I can just wake up and look outside of this. I can look out at night. I can look out over the pool, the pool looks really pretty. Like, the blue is just like getting me a pop of color. And the tennis courts look really nice. Me and my girlfriend have started playing tennis together. And I'm so excited. This is amazing, guys. I'm so glad I got to share it with you. You guys could kind of get to see the before, because we're moving everything in tomorrow, but I picked up the keys and I wanted to drop off a couple of things, so. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go put some of those things away, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this little empty apartment tour, and you will definitely be seeing it filled soon, because I'm going to be decorating like crazy. And obviously I'm not filming, I haven't filmed in like a week. No, that's so long, but I can't wait to film here. Oh, I'm gonna have such good lighting. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching. Love you guys.